Make money from Google Play Store. Number of smartphone users is estimated to touch 2.1 billion mark by 2021, according to various sources. This includes both Android-based and iPhone users. Between 80% and 85% of all smartphones sold worldwide are Android-based. Considering these volumes and projections, one can well imagine the number of apps available on Google Play. These apps range from simple ones that help find a nearby restaurant to complex ones that enable making large investments using only a smartphone connected to the internet. Consequently, Google Play holds a lot of opportunities for people who wish to make money. Here we explore 4 excellent ways to make money from Google Play Store, regardless where you are located on planet Earth. Making money from Google Play is possible for anyone that has basic knowledge of how to use smartphone and apps. While some are simple, others are slightly complex. This is Norbipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. 1. Online surveys. Google Play offers hundreds of apps from reputed market research companies that operate globally, regionally or within your country. Topmost among them are Zap Surveys, Google Opinion Rewards, Swagbucks, SurveyMonkey and many others. They are free to download. Once you have downloaded the apps, complete the simple registration by providing your contact and other necessary details. Completing online surveys with these apps enables you to make money during your spare time. While some market research companies reward you with free shopping vouchers and attractive incentives, others pay cash for the efforts. They will pay you in American dollars or local currency, depending upon laws of your country. The money or reward will generally be remitted once you have accumulated specific number of points. By completing online surveys, you can earn up to $5 or more daily, depending upon your location, time spent and nature of questions. Generally, online surveys on apps are brief and will take between 2 and 10 minutes to complete. This is the surest way to make money using Google Play. Before downloading, verify credentials of the market research company offering the app. There are several fraudsters who will steal your personal information for their nefarious activities. Apart from surveys, there are other money-making apps on Google Play Store that will help you to make some more cash. You can download these apps, sign up there and complete tasks like installing other apps, watching videos etc. and get paid. 2. Create apps for Google Play. Another surest way to make money from Google Play is by developing apps for businesses and other organizations. In 2021, smartphones, tablets and other mobile devices that can connect to the internet accounted for some $1.4 trillion from total e-commerce transactions worth $2.3 trillion worldwide. By 2021, e-commerce from smartphones and other mobile devices worldwide is projected at $3.5 trillion. These astounding figures simply imply that any organization serious about remaining in business needs to offer mobile-based apps that can be accessed by clients and potential customers. If you are an app developer, this is the right time to offer services to small and large businesses. Design user-friendly apps for enterprises that can be launched for downloads on Google Play. Prime among e-commerce apps are those offering online shopping. The Amazon and eBay app are great examples of e-commerce apps. You can also develop apps that enables people to pay for online shopping or making purchases at brick-and-mortar stores. Understandably, large corporations will have in-house app developers and will already have apps up and running on Google Play. However, smaller businesses that are lagging in this sphere can effectively utilize your services for creating a simple, user-friendly app for offering through Google Play. This is an excellent and lucrative way to make money from Google Play. 3. Coupon apps and advertising. With some effort, you can launch own app on Google Play to offer discount coupons for shopping, dining, transportation and other services. Of course, you will have to enlist services of an app developer or create one if you possess required skills. Hosting an app on Google Play is fairly easy provided you meet their stringent specifications, privacy and safety standards. Nowadays, everyone looks for discounts while shopping, eating out, traveling or even booking hotel accommodation, sightseeing and other services. You can provide these coupons in collaboration with retailers, stores, boutiques and service providers in your city. Generally, retailers and service providers that want to provide discount coupons are also willing to pay the app owner. While you make money from these stores by posting your app on Google Play, enterprises that offer coupons will also pay for your services. You can also seek advertisements from these businesses that can be displayed when someone uses the app. This is how most apps that operate free services operate. They defray their expenses by providing advertising services to small and large businesses. 4. Testing Google Play apps. Regardless whether you are a software geek or layperson, you can test apps before they get posted on Google Play. Here, companies launching the app will pay you money for testing it and providing honest reviews. Your feedback helps companies launching a Google Play app to eliminate glitches while adding more features that would be desired by users. There are several companies including UserZoom, Userlytics, Testing Time and others that pay excellent money for testing websites and mobile apps. For example, Testing Time pays as high as €50 per test, depending upon the length and complexity of an app. The company claims it calls registered users to test websites and apps at least once a week. Others are much simpler and will pay between $5 and $30 for testing an app and writing a review. Since these apps are meant for use by laypersons, companies that do not look for reviews from software geeks. Instead, they want honest opinions of common folk and are willing to pay for your efforts. Finally, there are several other legitimate ways to make money from Google Play. One is by downloading apps from Google Play that pay you for testing online games meant for use on smartphones. Others pay for watching their advertisements and writing reviews. There is no dearth of apps that help you make money from Google Play. Try any of these excellent ways to make money from Google Play Store, depending upon skills, time and effort you invest. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.